Here at Mini Split Warehouse, we offer systems like this slim Cassette Extreme heat pump. This unit is 22 SEER and rated to -22 degrees. Select options like copper lines and wires, outdoor mounting options, shipping options like a terminal pickup or a lift gate. Each package includes one extreme outdoor heat pump condenser and one ceiling cassette with grill and dip switch. Features like gold fin anti-corrosion coating, humidity and refrigerant leak sensor, and drain pan heater. Also includes factory warranty and online registration. See the on-page description for specifications. Optional accessories at the bottom of the page.